Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Premove on the chess.com app with your phone. Premove is an feature that lets you make your move before your opponents play. It saves time, especially in fast games like bullet builds. Let's get started. First, open the chess.com app on a phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, next tap the play button at the bottom. You can choose a new game or continue one you already started. Start a game. Next, tap the play button at the bottom. Now here is the key part. When it's your opponent turn, you can still tap on your piece and move it to a square. Don't worry, your piece won't move yet. This is called a pre-move. So when the opponent plays, just tap the pawn and drag it to the square you want. You will see a little shadow of the move on the board or the red color square on the board. That means your pre-move is ready. As soon as your opponent makes their moves, your pre-move will instantly go through almost like magic. If pre-moves aren't working, check your settings, tap on the three straight line at the bottom left, then tap on settings. After that, enable pre-moves. And that's it. Now you know how to pre-move on chess.com with the phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next